Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing how to return a 404 HTTPS status code using Strapi. If you're a developer working on a web application, you know how important it is to handle errors and exceptions properly. A 404 error, which indicates that the requested resource cannot be found, is one of the most common HTTP errors that users encounter. In this video, we'll explore why returning a 404 HTTP status code is crucial for your application's user experience and search engine optimization, SEO. We'll also walk you through the steps involved in implementing this using Strapi. When a user requests a resource that doesn't exist on your server, it's essential to return a 404 error to let them know that the page cannot be found. This not only improves the user experience, but also helps search engines like Google understand the structure of your website. Now, you might wonder why we need to explicitly return a 404 status code using Strapi. The reason is that Strapi by default returns a 200 OK status code for every request, even if the requested resource doesn't exist. To handle this situation effectively, we'll use Strapi's built-in error handling mechanism. When a user requests a non-existent resource, our application should catch the error and return a 404 HTTPS status code, along with a custom error message. This approach ensures that both users and search engines are informed about the missing resource. Imagine you're building an e-commerce website using Strapi, and a user tries to access a product page that doesn't exist. Without proper error handling, your application would either return a generic error message, or worse still, display a blank page with no information. By returning a 404 status code in this scenario, you can provide users with a helpful error message that guides them on what they can do next. To summarize, here are the key points we've covered. Returning a 404 HTTP status code is crucial for providing a good user experience and improving SEO. Strapi doesn't return a 404 status code by default, so we need to implement this explicitly. We can use Strapi's error handling mechanism to catch errors and return a custom 404 error message. That's it for today's video on how to return a 404 HTTPS status code using Strapi. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and guides on web development. We'd love to hear about your experiences with implementing error handling in your applications, so share your stories in the comments.